Er dere klare? Balder, er du klar? Balder, er du klar? Nei.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall. Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
I was just trying to take her to go pee, and she collapsed on the stairs and pretended she was dead so she wouldn't have to go out in the cold. Ivy, that looks so uncomfy, WTF. She is so dramatic, I swear to God. Busted.
Y'all busted. Look at y'all. Got y'all. Eating freaking chicken wings. Both of y'all. What is going on? Dylan, Bella, and chicken wings. Y'all are bad. Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. Let's take your bath. Come on. Let's take your bath. Come on. Come on. Bath.
You got him! You got him!
You know that really tall girl that you go to school with? Well, that's me. 16 years old, 6'1.5".
That's a huge bitch! No, wait, hang on, stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy, please! I've been such a good boy! Don't do it! No!
Don't get too comfortable, sweetheart. I was his everything once, too.
You told